Vanakkam. In the first nature cure video, we saw mud pack for the pitta persons and the people who are suffering from abdominal heat disorders. Today, we are going to see a nature therapy which is used in Tamil culture for thousands of years, mainly for cupboard disease like cold, nasal blocks, fevers and churning. This is a very simple nature therapy. The main ingredients you need is a mud vessel like this and Tirukadugu Churanam. Tirukadugu Churanam is available in all Siddha and Ayurvedic shops. It's nothing but Chukku, Milagu and Tippili. This is called Tirukadugu. It's available in all Siddha shops and Ayurvedic shops and organic stores, nature cure hospitals. It is easily available. Only these two ingredients is enough. So first you have to heat this mud vessel nicely till some small reddish you can feel when you heat. When you heat, you can feel some reddish color happening in the bottom of the pot. At that time, take it out and keep it in front of your face. Put this Tirukadugu Churanam. Take 2 to 3 small pinch and put it inside this mud vessel and just inhale the smoke which is coming out of this pot. And this smoke is very, very effective in relieving the nose blockages and head pain, and it also removes all the waters from the head and neck. You can show your head and even back you can show like this, and you can use this smoke to remove all the bad waters from your head. So this is very effective treatment for the cupboard diseases. So let us see as a demonstration. Now the hot pot is ready. Put Tirukadugu Churanam. It's nothing but Chukku, Milagu, Tippili inside this. Little is enough. See, the smoke is coming. Just do like this. Do it 2 or 3 times. You can inhale the smoke. It's very pungent. It will be very useful for the patients who are suffering from sinus, headache and even fever and cold. Okay, just inhale. Yes, you can inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. 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 Even you can keep your forehead like this and close it with a cloth. This will remove the bad waters from your forehead and relieve the head pain. These are all a simple nature cure techniques which you can do it any time and come out of this headache, sinus, nose blockages and heavy fevers. Just the forehead, that's enough. See, just the forehead. You can show like this. Even you can keep some burning coal inside this, 2 or 3 pieces coal, and you can add the herbal powder and it will be very helpful. Just show it like this. And when you have the pain in your back portion of your head, you can even take this and just show like this. Yes. This will remove all the bad waters and gives a good relief from the neck pain and the pain in pidari. We call this area as a pidari in Tamil. It will remove the pain from the pidari, that's a back portion of the head. Okay, thank you.